Hi, it's Thursday morning and it is beautiful out today. Just got back from a walk with my kids and quite enjoying the weather. In Manitoba, that's where I'm filming from. I live here in a resort community and it is going to turn cold before we know it. So let's enjoy the weather now. I just want to let you know that iPass 2 is being launched today. Very exciting. I haven't been to a big launch like this. I just started with the company recently, but iPass 1 was huge a year ago, and this is going to be even better. I don't know, I've lost my kids. They'll be around somewhere. So click on the link below. There's a free webinar tonight. You're welcome to join me and get an idea of what it is. It's going to be, like I said, it's going to be huge. The webinar is free, and I hope to see you there. Have a great day. Enjoy the weather. Bye-bye.